Today we're going to look at why I went from the Ring Video Doorbell 2 to the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. 3 years ago I bought the Ring Video Doorbell 2 and it worked really well. The batteries lasted for over a month, if not longer. I also invested in a Ring Video Doorbell 2 solar charger. I don't have that on right now. And I also invested in a Wasserstein Ring Video Doorbell 2 solar panel. And the problem I had was my home faces north, so I wouldn't get a lot of sunlight. So the solar panel would work well during the summer months when I did get some sunshine, but during the winter months I didn't get a lot of sunshine, therefore the solar panel did not work very well. And then the batteries started lasting 2 to 3 weeks, and I eventually bought some more batteries and used those for a while. Again, I've had this for 3 years and it's worked well. But the inconvenience of always having to recharge the batteries, there were times when we were on vacation and the battery would go dead and we'd be in trouble. And so now the batteries are only lasting 4, maybe 5 days at the most. And the reason why I got the Ring Video Doorbell 2 is because my doorbell was over on this side, and I just wanted this better view. And so that's why I got the Ring Video Doorbell 2. It faces straight out as opposed to this one over here, the Ring Video Doorbell Pro, which is hardwired. It goes, it's facing the wrong direction. I've installed the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. It's got the CAVN angle mount bracket, which helps get me a better angle. And it's really nice because now I don't have to worry about the batteries dying, and I always have access to a live view. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to mount this on the back side of the house, and therefore the solar panel should work really well. But I really enjoy the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. Again, the convenience of not having to recharge the batteries is great, and I just really enjoyed not having to do that. So my advice is, if you do not have power, you may want to go to the Ring Video Doorbell 2, especially if you have sunlight. Then you can get the solar panel or the solar charger, which they both work really well. I bought the Wasserstein charger and panel. But hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you subscribe to Big Al Repairs.